Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me using new drugstore products. There's a lot of different things I wanted to do talk about as well. I have a chatty get ready with me today, so I hope you're going to enjoy this. And there are going to be separate reviews for some of the products that you see. The NYX Marshmallow Primer review is actually already up. There's a demo, there's a review on that, and pictures with all that good stuff in that video. So that's going to be in the cards. And so I just want to jump right in and say, literally, that winter storm that we went through, atrocious. No power, boredom, can't wait till winter's over. I know most of you feel the same way. Totally over it. And like right before that happened, you guys, like I know, like if you're not new to this channel, you know that at one point I had 3 doggies. Punk, who is since passed, and we were left with Cujo and Oscar. And yeah, now there's only one. Yeah. Right before the storm, Cujo, you know, we had to make the decision to put him down, which is very sad. So now there's only Oscar. Oscar's 9. Cujo was about 16 and Punk was 15. And these are dogs like, you know, I grew up with, you know, they're there for most of my adolescence, all of my adulthood, you know, so that's a typical pill to swallow. But I know at the end he was blind, he was going deaf, and it's really sad. And we held on, and he did as long as we possibly could. So yeah, that's enough with the heavy, okay? It's difficult to still talk about. And totally random, I did my eyebrows before this started this get ready with me, and I had a little bit of bleeding. I cut myself with the razor a little bit. I know, right? But I was being hasty and not being careful. And a little trick to that, you can take a little bit of powder on your hands or on your fingertip and just like tap it over the spot, and powder will stop the bleeding. They use that in dog grooming. If you accidentally cut the toenail of the dog too short and it starts to bleed, use powder and it will stop the bleeding. Yeah, totally random. I was also opening Pokemon cards there, you could tell. Yeah, we were stranded for a long time too, and plus our car tore up for like 2 weeks, and yeah, we got that fixed and now our car's tore up again. You know, that's grand as well. We just celebrated Connor's 7th birthday. That was awesome. He got lots of great things. He had a really good day. This virus isn't keeping us down. We didn't have a birthday party or nothing, but he still had a really fun time with his family and stuff. Literally just Granny, well, a nanny, and my mom. And yeah. And let's see. What else? Oh, school for Connor is going great. We have almost made it through kindergarten. Can you believe it? And he got some really awesome grades. His grades have been great. And language arts, he got 100, so he got an A. Reading was a B, 86. I know why he got a B in that, because there's some like reading quizzes and stuff, and he did get a couple of questions wrong, so I know exactly what the problem was there. Math, he got an A, a 98. He loves math. Social studies and science, he got 100. Of course, art and PE kind of stuff, he got, you know, an S. And let's see, what else? So proud of my baby boy. He is doing phenomenal. He's reading so much. He's learning so many new things. And it's great. It's great. He's like reading the directions on pages and stuff before I can even get it out. So he's just absorbing all the information. So real quickly, also, I'm going to take a break from chatting and I want to go over some things with this palette. Now, I do want to do a full review on this with swatches and everything, so we're going to do that. This palette's $10. It's a Walmart exclusive. You can get it on their website. It's called Love You Brunch from Profusion. There's no scent to these shadows. There's 21 eyeshadows in this. I love this color story, and there is some cool tone neutrals in here. There's bright colorful shades, there's pressed glitters, metallic formulas, matte formulas. They have cute names, and I don't think there's any color repeats, but I'm not entirely sure. There's a small mirror. It's a shaped cute palette and really cutesy packaging. They blend easily. They actually blend like butter in my opinion. They are very nice. They are really super pigmented and there's minimal fallout and they are powdery in the pan. So that's just a quick little overview. I wanted to give you some insight on that palette, but I do plan on doing a swatch review as well for you. And I did finally get around to watching Story of a Girl, the Lifetime movie. I did read the book, I did a review, so somewhere in the cards it will be up there. But I found the movie to be a bit boring. I thought the book was better. And a lot of cases, that is the case for me. I will watch a movie and I just think the book was so much better. Books can tell so much more than a movie and convey things differently. Versus watching a movie, they have to change things and just to make it fit a movie you know, timeline or whatever. But the best part about Story of a Girl movie was Kevin Bacon and his daughter. I literally did not know that the girl from 13 Reasons, she plays Sky, was Kevin Bacon's daughter. And she plays the girl's, Deanna's basically sister-in-law. In the movie, which is awesome. I really like her. We have been doing these fun quizzes on YouTube as well. They're like movie quizzes and 90s music, movie theme music kind of quizzes. Guess the movie by a picture. I don't know, it's kind of fun and we've been doing that like nightly. We usually watch like a movie or something before we go to bed, but we've been doing like YouTube quizzes. I know, it sounds really silly, but it's actually really, really fun. And there was one, Guess the States by Emojis. That one was a lot of fun. And let's see, what else? So most of you know that I'm like the biggest Malcolm in the Middle fan. I love Malcolm in the Middle. I watch Malcolm in the Middle all of the time. That's the only reason why I keep Hulu, is so I can watch Malcolm anytime I want to. And I just love Malcolm in the Middle. And in a previous Get Ready With Me, I have done, I told you about Malcolm in the Middle crossovers, and that's like, you know, some of my favorite actors, and also how I can link all these people that I see in Malcolm in the Middle to other shows that I really love. I've been able to link like Prison Break, Walking Dead, Secret Life of American Teenager, 70s shows, there's all kinds of them. But recently I found out a big crossover for me, and that is Francis from Malcolm in the Middle, the guy who plays Francis. His sister and brother in real life, which I did not know, his brother is Danny, Hyde from the 70s show. And in real life, his sister is Tara from The Walking Dead. So to me, that's like a big crossover kind of thing for me. And Tara also appears in Malcolm in the Middle in the senior picture episode, and she has a baby waiting in line to take a picture, her senior picture, basically. So I did not know that, and I just feel like, say what? Yeah, that there's that big of a link between all of them, especially real life sister being Tara from The Walking Dead. Yeah. So yeah, I literally just went through like most of my notes. I've been working hard to pre-film a lot of videos as well, just so you know. And also, side note, you probably can hear FGTV in the background. Connor just got done with his schoolwork and everything, and he's enjoying some YouTube time while I would do this voiceover. These are very informal, especially a chatty Get Ready With Me, so who cares if you can hear FGTV in the background. I wanted to let you guys know, you know, we were okay during the snowstorm, even though we were stranded. We did have heat. We had no electricity at some points. We do have, fun little story here, random too, but we have a couch bed, and because it was really cold, we all just stayed in our living room. We pulled the couch bed out and just stayed in the living room near the heater. Yeah, it's really unfortunate about Cujo as well. Oscar, totally random side note, seems to be doing okay. him and Cujo had their spats as well, so I think that Oscar is just, I hate to even say it, but enjoying being the only dog. And but it is sad to me to think the dogs that I grew up with are gone now, because Punk was the daddy to Cujo and the mama also to Cujo, and that obviously she's gone as well, and the only dog that's left out of their lineage is my sister's dog Cookie, and she's kind of old as well, so that's kind of sad. All of us had our own dogs. Like, I had the daddy Punk, I had a baby Cujo, my dad kept Coco, which was the mama, my sister has Cookie, my other sister had Bubbles, and they're all gone except for Cookie. Now it's very sad.
And it's also,
it's rough losing pets. Total side note also, I made a Roblox account to play Roblox sometimes with Connor, and now I am like slightly addicted to playing Pet Simulator. Yes, I want to unlock all the worlds and have very quick high level pets, which I do. I've played it here and there when I have some free time, and also random too. I am so ready for spring, and I've been decluttering my cabinets and, you know, going through and deep cleaning things you normally don't keep track of and deep clean all the time, and I have just been on it. And also I really love this cutesy, like flirty kind of makeup look. I've been wearing this, different variations of this a few times now. It's been like my go-to kind of makeup look. And oh, I haven't forgot about the Scotty Baker case either. I just haven't had time to fully jump in and really make out my notes for that video. I have some key points and stuff and things wrote down, but I really need to do a more deeper dive on the case. And so please stay tuned and be patient for that. I have lots more videos coming. Like I said, I've been pre-recording. That's how come you can see a video from me every single day. I do pre-record multiples in a day, and then I just take my time to work through editing them. And I also will try to get to answer comments at least once a week, and I just try to keep on top of it. So I am very busy, but if I did not pre-record, you wouldn't be seeing videos like 5 days a week from me at all. I do multiple pre-recordings when I do film. Like, I might do a makeup look, I might do a review, and a nail look all in the same day. See, that's 3 videos in one day, and then I take my time to edit them and so on and so forth. Yeah, I always like to mention that as well. So definitely don't forget to check out the cards, the description box for additional links. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chatty get ready with me. I know it was random and all over the place like they always are. And I still thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for more videos like this.